So let's solve question number 2. It says using logarithmic differentiation to find dy by dx. First part is y is equal to under root x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1. So in the place of this under root, we can write it whole raised to the power 1 upon 2. Taking ln on both sides of equation, so it would be 1 upon y dy by dx, and this 1 upon 2 is coming out, and we have ln x square minus 1 by x square plus 1. We know that whenever we are having u by v, so ln is applied on u by v, so ln u minus ln v will be there. So same ln x square minus 1 minus ln x square plus 1 will be coming. Fine. So 1 upon y dy by dx, same, and derivative of ln x square minus 1 will be equal to 1 upon x square minus 1, and derivative of this x square minus 1 will be coming with it, and x square plus 1, and derivative of x square plus 1. Fine. Dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2, 1 upon x square minus 1, and derivative of x square will be 2x, and derivative of 1 will be 0. So just the 2x will be there, x square plus 1, and again 2x plus 0. 1 upon y dy by dx, 2x is taken common. So here we have 1 upon x square minus 1, x square plus 1. 2 is cancelled with 2. This y is divided over there. So y derivative is equal to y. Y is in the denominator. When it will go there, on the other side of equation, it will be multiplied. And we can take LCM of this. It would be x square minus 1 into x square plus 1. X square minus 1 and x square minus 1 is cancelled. So remaining is 1 multiplied with x square plus 1. Fine. Minus x square minus 1, x square plus 1 and x square plus 1 are cancelled. Remaining 1 will multiplied with x square minus 1. So here just note down that whenever we are having, for example, 5 upon x minus 6 upon y, and we are going to take LCM of this, both x and y will be coming. So here in the first term, for the first term, x is cancelled with x, remaining will be y, and numerator is 5. So 5 will be multiplied with y. Fine. Minus here in this, for the second term, y will be cancelled with y, and the remaining 6 will be multiplied with the remaining x. So 6x will be coming. So y dash is equal to xy x square plus 1 minus x square minus plus 1 divided by x square minus 1 and x square plus 1. Cancelled is equal to x into what would be the value of y? It was x square minus 1 by x square plus 1 whole raised to the power 1 upon 2 into 2 by x square minus 1 x square plus 1, and y dash is equal to x into, here this can be written as 1 upon 2, and this can also be written 1 upon 2 separately. 2 by x square minus 1 raised to the power, its power is 1, and if we taken this power in the denominator, it will be minus 1 upon 2. And x square plus 1, its power is 1, and if we are going to add this one with that, this will be, this power is 1 upon 2. 2x upon x square minus 1 whole raised to the power 1 upon 2, and x square plus 1 whole raised to the power 3 by 2. Or we can write it as 2x by x square minus 1 raised to the power 1 upon 2, x square plus 1 raised to the power 1 upon 2 into x square plus 1 raised to the power 1. So it would be 2x by x square plus 1 and under root x square minus 1 x square plus 1. Well, so this is the answer of this question. Now its second part says y is equal to x cube and square root of x. Afterwards we have to take ln on both sides of equation. So ln y is equal to, when we are having uv, ln u dot v, so it would be ln u plus ln v. Fine. So ln x cube plus, this multiplication is going to be plus, and this power ln x raised to the power 1 upon 2. In the place of under root, we can write 1 upon 2. So ln y is equal to, power is coming out from ln, so 1 upon 2 ln x. Taking derivative on both sides of equation, so it would be 1 upon y dy by dx, and here it is 3 is coming out as it is coefficient of ln x, 1 upon x, and derivative of x would be 1, plus 1 upon 2 into 1 upon x. So dy by dx is equal to y, this y will move over there, 3 by x plus 1 upon 2x. Value of y is equal to x cube under root x, and we can take this x common. So here it would be 3 by 1 plus 1 upon 2, x square into x. This x is cancelled with x, and here 2, 6 plus, after taking the LCM, it would be 6 plus 1, x square into x raised to the power 1 upon 2, 7 by 2. Y bar is equal to x2 plus 1 upon 2 into 7 by 2. Y bar is equal to 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1, 7 by 2 x raised to the power 5 by 2. So this would be the answer. So hopefully you have understood this second part as well. Here is the full second part. You can take screenshot of it. Now the third part says having y is equal to x e raised to the power cos of x. Taking ln on both sides of equation, ln y is equal to ln x plus multiplied will be converted into plus ln e raised to the power cos of x. Is it? We know that ln e is equal to 1. So here ln e is equal to 1. So we are having just cos of x. So taking derivative on both sides of equation, so we are having 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to 1 upon ln x is equal to 1 upon x plus cos x is equal to minus sin x. So dy by dx is equal to y 1 upon x minus sin of x. And here the y value is x e raised to the power cos of x. In the question, 1 upon x minus sin of x. So y derivative is equal to x cos of x minus x e raised to the power cos of x e raised to the power cos of x into sin of x. Y bar is equal to x is cancelled with x. E raised to the power cos of x is common. So we are having 1 minus x 1 minus x sin of x. So this would be answer. In the fourth part, it is y is equal to e raised to the power minus 2 of x square plus 2x plus 1. Y is equal to e raised to the power 2x into x square plus 2x plus 1. Taking ln on both sides of equation, ln y is equal to 1 upon y, and this is combination of two functions. Two functions are multiplied with each other when we are going to apply ln on them. So it will be converted this multiplication into addition. So ln e raised to the power minus 2 of x plus ln x square plus 2x plus 1. Ln e is equal to 1. We have ln y is equal to minus 2x plus ln x square plus 2x plus 1. Taking derivative on both sides of equation, so it would be 1 upon y dy by dx. Derivative of minus 2x is equal to minus 2 plus ln x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 1 upon x square plus 2x plus 1, and derivative of this function x square plus 2x plus 1. So y dash is equal to y into this is divided, and when it goes to the other side of equation it will be multiplied. So minus 2 plus its derivative would be 2x plus 2 2x plus 2 plus 0 divided by x square plus 2x plus 1. Y was in the question, y was e raised power minus 2x into x square plus 2x plus 1. So we have to take LCM of this. Minus 2. Then we are having 1 in the denominator. So these both 2 will be multiplied. So minus 2 is multiplied with x square. If we are having 6 by 1 plus 1 upon 4. Suppose we are having this type of expression and we have to take LCM of this. The denominator will be 4 when we are having 1 in the denominator. So we can take 6 multiplied by 4 plus 1 multiplied by 1. So 24 plus 1 by 4. Fine. In the same way, it is 1 there. So minus 2 is multiplied directly with x square plus 2x plus 1. And 2x plus 2 is multiplied with 1. So 2x plus 2 multiplied with 1. So this is cancelled with this. Y dash is equal to e raised to the power minus 2x. And we have minus 2x square minus 2 to the 4 x minus 2 plus 2x plus 2. So 2 is cancelled with 2. So here we have now we are having y dash is equal to e raised to the power minus 2x into minus 2x square and minus 4x into plus 2x is equal to minus 2x. Y dash is equal to minus 2x can be taken as common. So here it would be x plus 1 e raised to the power minus 2x. And this would be the answer of this fourth part. This is complete fourth part of question number 2. Now fifth part says y is equal to ln e raised to the power x by 1 plus e raised to the power x. It would be ln e raised to the power x minus ln 1 plus e raised to the power x. This ln e is cancelled. This is equal, ln e is equal to 1. So y is equal to x minus ln 1 plus e raised to the power x. Now taking derivative on both sides of equation. So it would be dy by dx so y bar dy by dx, here there is no ln, so dy by dx will be coming and we can write dy by dx as y bar. Y bar is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus e of x and derivative of this 1 will be 0 plus e of x derivative is e of x. So derivative of y is equal to, now let's take the LCM, 1 plus e of x. So here 1 is there. So I have told you whenever 1 is in the denominator of a term and we have to take LCMs, then both 2 will be. So this will be cross multiply. So 1 into e of x is equal to 1 plus e of x. minus 1 ones are 1 e of x, e raised per x, not 1 plus e raised per x minus e raised per x. So y derivative is equal to 1 plus e raised per x minus e raised to the power x divided by 1 plus e raised per x. This is cancelled. So y derivative is equal to 1 upon 1 plus e raised to the power x, and that is answer of question number 2, fifth part. Here is the whole solution of fifth part, and now let's move to its sixth part. So let's take ln on both sides of equation. So it would be ln y. This whole under root can be written as 1 upon 2, and ln y is equal to, and this power is coming out of this ln 2, and we are having, so ln y is equal to 1 upon 2 ln 1 plus e of x. This division is converted into negative ln 1 minus e raised to the power x. Now taking derivative on both sides of equation, so it would be 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 is coming out, and d upon dx 1 plus e raised to the power x minus derivative of ln 1 minus e raised to the power x. 1 by y dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2, and derivative of ln 1 plus e raised per x will be 1 upon 1 plus e raised per x, and derivative of 1 plus e raised per x minus 1 upon 1 minus e raised per x, and derivative of 1 minus e raised per x. So dy by dx is equal to y by 2. One derivative is 0, and e of x derivative will be e of x. E raised per x derivative will be e raised per x. One derivative will be 0, and minus e raised per x derivative will be e raised per x. Negative will be y derivative, and y was equal to, y is equal to 1 plus e raised per x divided by 1 minus e raised per x. That was given in the question. So same we are going to substitute over there. 1 plus e raised per x by 1 minus e raised per x whole raised per under root, or 1 upon 2 we can write, divided by 2. E raised per x is taking common. So we are having 1 upon 1 plus e of x plus 1 upon 1 minus e of x. We can write it down e raised per x, 1 plus e raised per x. 1 upon 2, we can separate these two powers of numerator and denominator. So it will be here we are going to take LCM. So this will be cancelled with this. Remaining is 1 minus e of x multiplied by 1 raised per x plus this will be cancelled with this and this term will be multiplied with 1 to the power x. This is cancelled, negative positive will be cancelled, and this 1 power when will go in the numerator, it will become minus 1, and 1 plus 1, 2 will be coming. Divided by 2, 1 minus e raised per x, 1 upon 2, and 1 minus e raised to the power x. 2 is cancelled with this 2, and here e raised to the power x, 1 plus 1 upon 2 minus 1. These bases are same, so powers are going to be added. E of x, 1 plus e raised per x whole raised per minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 divided by 1 minus e raised to the power x whole raised per 1 upon 2. Y bar is equal to e raised to the power x, 1 minus e of x whole raised per 1 upon 2. Bar negative 1 upon 2 is in the numerator, so when it will go into the denominator, this becomes positive 1 upon 2, and 1 minus e raised per x, same as it is. So here we can write down these both two are in under root, and under root 1 minus e raised to the power x and 1 plus e raised to the power x. So I hope you have understood this question as well.